Welcome back, Chromation Nation. In today's video, I'm delighted to introduce you to our all-new quick solder wire preheat system designed to reduce solder tip impact zones and increase solder tip life. Before diving in, I'd like to remind you to click that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for all of our latest product launches and new product introductions. Without further ado, let's get started. The Quick Solder Wire Preheat System is the perfect add-on for any quick robotic soldering solution. Easy installation meets high performance with this compact solution. The system features a preheat node that can be attached to the solder wire output needle and provide a real-time thermal feedback loop using the integrated 90-watt power supply. Users can simply dial in a preheat temperature on the standalone controller and allow the system to take over. Including a solder wire preheat solution can increase solder tip life expectancy, reduce solder wire flux splatter, and reduce overall cycle time. Well everyone, this concludes our brief overview on the all-new quick solder wire preheat system. Be sure to visit us online at www.chromationusa.com. We'll see you next time, and remember to go pro.